Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Sana rin ko yung Night Donor. So, sa tingin ko, magbebenta tayo dito ng shawarma. Tingin ko ito, yung ham na to. So, lalurin na natin siya. Ano pa hinihintay natin? So, it's the time to play this game. This job offer came quite suddenly, working as Night Donor shop worker. It sounds strange, but I was looking for a job, and that's when it came up. The owner said that the previous employee had suddenly quit and disappeared. They needed someone in a hurry, so I took the job. I thought working here must be easy after all. How hard can it be? Take orders, prepare the donors, close the day. But still, the sudden disappearance of the previous employee makes me think, I don't know what's going on here, but it looks like it's going to be a long night. Day 1. So, day 1. Oh! Ay! Customer agad. Pambihira. Wait lang. Day 1, okay. May beer. Oh! May timba. Galon? Galon yan sa Pilipinas, guys. I mean, Asia, I guess. Hindi ko alam, pero mukhang galon sa Pilipinas eh. Pag sa CR. O kaya taga-salo ng ulan. Cup. Oh. Throw. Oh! Okay, parang gaya lang siya na nilaro ko nakaraan na ang tawag doon yung nagbebenta ka ng hotdog. Oh, babae ba siya? Hello, good luck! I'll have a normal donor and coke. Okay, bebenta ba natin siya? Normal donor. Burger piece. Lavash. Ito ata yung bread. Okay, pita bread. Dito. Ay. Paano? Meat. Lagyan natin siya dyan. So, paano? Wait lang. Taasan ko yung sensitivity. Oh, bawal. Oh. Dito. Yan. Tapos, meat, I guess. Batas knife. Papakain natin yung knife? Hindi ko alam paano to. Receipt book. Oh, coffee, donor, meat. Okay, gets. Gets. So, ang hiwain natin is tomato. Tomato. So, automatic. Okay. Parang ganyan ba? Ilang tomato ba yon? Isa lang. Isang lettuce din. Okay, lettuce. Oh, okay. Oh, paano to? Okay, lettuce. Bibigyan na ba? Bro, paano to? If customers want something different, they say so themselves and it appears on the cash register screen. Okay. Normal donor cola. Okay. Normal donor lang. Cola. Wala ba tayong flash? So, saan dito yung... okay. May ref pala tayo. Cola. Salo! Oh! Okay, nasa yung isa. So, hindi ko alam paano to. Like, how? How? Normal cola? Uy, dito. Oh! Ano nilagay ng gatas? Like, paano interaction dito sa game? What the heck? Di ko alam paano magtinda. Ikaw na lang. Self-service. Oh. Di pa rin sapat. Okay. Umiikot dito. O baka nga dito. Okay. So, ganyan. Ganyan. Tapos lagay. Tomato, tama ba? Ayun na. Ayun na po. Di ko alam paano to. Isa-isa ba natin bibigay? Oh, lettuce. Kaya mo na yan. Malaki ka na eh. Rupan? Like, the heck? Painitin ba natin dito? Kasi pinapainit to eh. Bro, what the heck? Di ko alam paano to. Aircon. Okay. Right click ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Wait. So. Okay. Gusto mo yung knife? Di yan pwede kainin. Tapos tong... Oh. Marsik. Balik natin to doon. Balik natin to. Kailangan to eh. Yan. Tapos yung meat nahulog sa sahig. Hindi nyo naman siguro nakita. Like, bro, what? Okay, baka lagyan natin ng ketchup. What the heck, bro? Parang ilaw. Ano na, laser? Ikaw na lang ah. Oh! Okay. Oh. Oy! Naging tumbler! Ay, hindi. Naging embutido. Okay. Uy! Ang galing! Thanks, keep the change. Okay. Salamat. Pambira yun pala yun kailangan. Okay. Ganun pala dapat. Right click. Oh? Sino yan? Pwede natin buksan tong aircon. Okay, may bagong customer. Babae ulit. Good evening. I could use a coffee. It's gonna be a long night. Okay, wait. Coffee. What the heck is this? Chips. Okay, chips. Coffee. Is this a coffee? What the heck? Ay! Matagas. Wag. Bro, stop ka! Okay. Coffee na ba yun? Stuck pa na natin ng lead. Okay. Please. Hello tayo. I hope your coffee will warm me up a bit. Okay. Hindi ko tinanong. Wala akong pake. Tayo pa tayo ng customer. Burger piece. Nah, bro. Di tayo papadaig dun sa Good night. Can I have 3 beers? I had an argument with someone outside. He made me very angry. Anyway, maybe I just need a beer. Bro, mas lalo kang hangover. Mas lalo kang iinis niyan, bro. Naipag-away ka. Dinaan nyo na susuntukan. Mahina ka pala, dinaan mo sa beer eh. Umiikot-ikot pa oh. Salo. 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 Thank you. Okay, welcome. Thank you. And ano sa likod nitong kortina? Window. Ano to? Soda. May little soda, pop. Soda. Ito. Coca-Cola. Soda. Ikaw na naman. Pinay, it's a bit of a walk in this neighborhood at night peaceful, isn't it? Everyone is asleep, but people like you are awake. Siyempre, nagtitinda ako. Ako ba? Ako ba nagsasabi niyan? Maybe this is when the true face of the word comes out. Okay, tayo pala yung... siya pala yung nagsasalita yung babae. Anyway, can I have a donor without lettuce and mayonnaise? Okay. Bro, nilalabasan yung mayonnaise natin. Enough. Bro, what the heck? Yan. Goods. All goods. Yung pita, lavash. Without lettuce. Okay. Without lettuce. Bro, meat ba to? Like, bro, ba't parang pitak ng tae? Yan. Without lettuce. Oh, yun lang naman yung tatlong ingredients lang naman eh. Then, right click. Complete recipe. Ba't parang volcanic eruption? So, yun lang. Yun lang yung gusto niya. Doner without ketchup. Okay, without ketchup. Huh? Okay, without ketchup. So, kailangan ng mayonnaise. Painitin lang natin dito. Yung ginagawa ng mga Pinoy. Diba? Yan. Magbibili ka kasi ng shawarma dito. Painit pa nila ng ganun yung pita bread eh. Itong meat. Oh. Ay, without lettuce ba? Tomato. Take this knife and tomato and ketchup. Okay, nilagyan na ba yun? Parang feel ko hindi pa. And complete. Wait, ma'am. Ginagawa na po yung labash nyo. Labash? Or doner pala. Doner. The heck? The heck is doner? Huh? Without lettuce? Doner with ketchup. Without lettuce. Doner with ketchup. Doner with ketchup lang. Oh, bro. Ubus na yung pita bread natin. Wait, ma'am. Papadeliver pa kami ng stock. Chips, beer, soda, cola, mayonnaise, ketchup, tomato, lettuce, lavash. Oh, ayan. Galing pa sa sahig. Wala pa namang 5 seconds yun. Kaya, pwede pa yung lavash. Ayan, meat. Hindi. Yun. Without lettuce, doner, with ketchup. Okay, with ketchup lang. With ketchup, okay. Doner with ketchup lang. Okay na ba yan? Ano yan? Meron yan eh. So, complete. Huh? Without lettuce, doner with ketchup. Complete. Without lettuce nga lang eh. The heck, bro? May tomato? Uy! Paano nila nakuha yung name ko? The heck? Employee talaga ako dito. Employee ako ng doner. Uy! Yun na yun eh. Rick, ano ba gusto mo, ma'am? Tantanan mo na ako, kanina ka pa. Ha? Umisa ka na, iisa ka pa eh. Lavash. Hindi, painitin muna natin dito. Tama ba? Yan. Painit. Yan. So, di ko pa rin mag-gets. The heck? Ano ba gusto mo? With ketchup? Okay. Lang. With toner meat. Take the meat. Tapos, with ketchup. Okay, lagyan natin tong ketchup. Complete recipe. Without lettuce daw eh. Doner with ketchup. Oh. Hindi ko gets. Okay. Gets ko na. Okay, mali ko pala. Sorry guys. Mali ko lang pala. Ano yan 2 tomatoes yan Without lettuce daw eh. Ketchup. Tama ba? Okay, gets. Okay, may ketchup na siya. Your predecessor made a better return. But for some reason, he suddenly stopped working here, even though he worked so hard to get a job here. Anyway, good night. Okay, hindi ka naman tinanong eh. Wala akong pake, ha? Handaan mo yan, wala akong pake. Oh. Bro. Ikaw na naman. Hello, can I get 2 chips and 2 cokes? Sure. Dito libre. Salo tatang. 2 chips and 2 cokes. Cokes ba or soda? Salo. Salo. Coca-Cola, di mo sinalo yung isa? Thanks, chips and coke while watching a movie at this time. It's going very well. Good luck. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, I guess. Oh, yung ketchup. And chip. Okay, day 2. So, dapat tayong flashlight. Ano to, labahin mo? Oh, may customer agad. Hello? Hi, a full donor in the soda. I can take it. Full donor? Donor with ketchup and mayonnaise. Okay. Lavash. Okay. Donor with ketchup and mayonnaise. Ketchup. Ay, hindi. Mamaya pa pala yan pagtapos. Meat. Oy, nalaglag. Wala pang 5 seconds. Tomato, guess. Oh, galing. Automatic. Lagay lang pala natin sa kutsilyo. Oy. Galing. Oh, nakikita ko na yung ano. Tapos na. With mayonnaise and ketchup. With mayonnaise. Kinutumba yung lavash. Okay, tama na. Tapos with mayonnaise. Yan. Okay na, boss. With soda. Hello. No, with ketchup and mayonnaise. Ano? Parang natatay ka. Tama ba? Yun lang ba? Like, meat? Bawal, kailangan ng tomato. With donor, ketchup, and mayonnaise. Pag ito, umayaw ka pa rin. Papangahan kita. De joke lang. Customer's always right, bro. Hindi dapat natin ginagaya mga customer. Because, trabaho lang tayo dito. SpongeBob! Lang. Ganyan. Hello. Okay na ba? Soda. Okay. Hello, tatang. Oh, hindi. Mali pa rin. Okay. With mayonnaise. Kailangan natin lagay mayonnaise pati ketchup. Hirap kunin. Para di na natin abutin. Yan. Donor. Hello, tatang. You could not have been any slower. Naming alam. Pero gusto mga customer na to eh. Eat in, take out. Bro, eat in. Wala ka naman pwesto dito ah. And call deliveries. Oh, yung may bago. Hello. I just want a beer. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4 beers. Okay. Galing ka pa ata sa probinsya, tatang ah. Eh, ano daw? Beers? Okay, 4 na beers. Maglalasing ata si tatay ah. Broken ka tayo, salo. Salo. Oh, may freebies tayo. Cola. Oh, ayaw. Salo. Salo. No red. Anyway, you can give red next time. Good luck. Red? What do you mean red? Red beer? O red cola? Oh! The freak! Nakalimutan ko horror game pala to. Huh? Hi. I'll take a full donor. Yesterday, a few blocks away, I shot a man with a beer bottle. They killed him. You heard about that? I shot a man? Bro, pulis ka ba? Ba't parang cashier ka sa Pure Gold? May pinatay ka? Baka yun na yun, nagpaparamdam. Kasalanan mo to, ako minumulto. You have to take that responsibility, not me. Bakit ako yung minumulto? Okay, donor with ketchup and mayonnaise cola. Okay, lavash. Doner with ketchup and mayonnaise. Okay. So, lettuce. Yun. Tomato. Tomato. Tapos, meat. Okay. Oh, hindi na naman nasama. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, diba? Tomato. Meat. And also, oh, lettuce. Uy, okay lang dito sa sahig. Ng mga pakialam yung customer eh. Okay, tapos soda. Soda. Ma'am, salo. Mm-mm. Oh, cola. Then, mayonnaise and ketchup. Ma'am, dahil sa kagagawan mo, ako yung minumulto eh. It's all your fault, madam. It's all your fault. Oh, salo.
I'm very uncomfortable being out at night. Anyway, thank you.
Salo, ano mo yan? Multuin ka sa ano. Ba't ako yung minumulto dito? Okay. At ba natin, labasin ba natin yon? Oh. What? Good evening. I could use a coffee. Okay. Coffee lang pala eh. Oh. Pwede ba natin takban agad yan? Okay. Ayo. Salo. Oh, coffee and cola. Ayo, salo. Thanks, give the change. Mabait talaga ng tao dito. Tip ba yan o ano? May mga patip sila eh. Like, keep the change, bro. Dagdag yan sa sahod mo. Ah, no. Dagdag yan sa sahod ng boss mo. Sa boss mo yan mapupunta, hindi sa'yo. Ganun sa Pilipinas. Galingan mo magtrabaho. Galingan mo man o hindi. Mababa pa rin sahod mo.
Good night. Can I have a coffee?
Good night, tapos gusto mo ng coffee, bro. The heck? Ano ka? May mood swing? Tutulog na lang? Gusto mo kape? Nagmimena po siguro to. Tampo kayo ng asawa mo, no? Salote, ah.
I heard a news on the radio this morning. Somewhere in the city, a strange sound was recorded. People don't know what it is, but everyone is scared. I shuddered when I think about it. Anyway, good luck. I won't keep you.
Okay, can you keep me na lang? Sa'yo ako magtrabaho dito. May nagpakita na saan dito kanina. Kanina ba? O mag-uumaga pa lang siguro or kasi night shift naman tayo. So, pwede na tayo mag-leave. Diba? Leave na agad. Bro, ano pa hinihintay natin dito? Oh. Oh, end shift. Okay, day 3. Like 5 Nights at Freddy. Day 3. Uy, customer guide. Ulit tayo. Hi. Full dollar with, I'll have 3 beers. Okay. 3 beers. Tayo, salo. 3 beers. Salo. Oh. Naglag yung isa. Ay, salo na tayo. Kailangan pa iabot. Ang bira. Labas. Okay. With ketchup and mayonnaise. Okay. Meat. Meat. And tomato. Lettuce. Okay. Wait a minute. Urong natin yung yan. Let's go. O, diba? Nasasama na yung tomato. Kasi hindi nasasama yung tomato eh. Oh. Okay. Susundan niya ako ng tingin with ketchup. Ba't na dito napunta? Yan. And dito yan. Okay, ketchup. And mayonnaise. Salo tayo. Today has been a really long day. Some things seem to be getting harder. Oh, well. Ah? I'll poop. Hindi ko na mabasa. Thank you na lang. Dami mong siyasabi. Wait, ano? 20 pesos lang siguro yung binigay mo. Tapos, ang dami mong binili. Like, tatang. The heck? Okay. Ay, bagong customer. Si Elon Musk. I'll have a coffee. 2 chips and a couple of beers. Coffee? Coffee? Ay, coffee. 2 chips. Salo. And salo. Ano pa yung gusto mo? 2 beers. Hindi, not cola. Salo. Salo. So, jangan ka. Yung cola, kuliti ka. Okay, tas takpan, lead. Ay, di. Throw. Yan. Kuya, salo. Thank you. Okay. Thanks. So, ano meron tayo dito? Employee, copy receipt, receipt on off. Oh. Normal price, main stock. Uy! Oh! What the heck? Munti na tayo banggain.
Hello, good luck. I'll have a normal donor and a Coke.
Hey, okay. Nakita mo ba yun, te? Muntik na ako banggain yung, ano ko, yung stall ko dito. Stall ba to? Or, hindi, pwesto ko pala. Nangungupahan lang ako dito, tapos, alam mo na. Okay, meet. Siguro, subaybayan mo yun. Siguro nasubaybayan mo yun, te, no? Muntik na banggain yung store ko ng sasakyan. Like, bro, lasing ba yung driver nun? Okay, slice of lettuce. And, oh, hindi na. Stop. Pambirang yan. Ay, nako, di na naman nasama yung tomato. Teo, so, combine mo na lang, Teo. Ay, bro, sumama ka naman. Lagi kang naiiwan eh. Ay, just meat pa pala. Ay, sorry ka. Tapos ko lang kumain eh. Yan, nasama na. Boss, cola. Okay, cola. Ay. Teo, salo. With, ano ba yan? Normal lang pala, normal. Thanks. Keep the change. Thank you. Okay. So, nabuksan ba tong gripo? Hindi. Ikaw na naman. Teka, kakabalik mo lang ah. Makaalis mo lang ah.
Can I have 2 sodas?
Okay. Sure. Soda. Okay. Pesalo. Okay. 1, 2.
I saw a man lingering at the entrance of the shop. It gave me a little chill. Anyway, good luck.
Bro, ba't di mo sinabihan yung lalaking yun? Tawag mo ako iwan. Iniwan ako. The heck? Sa entrance. Okay, may customer na naman. Hi. I'll have a doner and a coffee, but no lettuce and ketchup and mayonnaise. That would be great. Okay. Without lettuce lang pala. Doner with ketchup and mayonnaise. Okay, just coffee. Wait lang, Nay. Without lettuce. Okay. Uy, yumulong. Uy, tara di. Ay. Bro, lumayas ka kasi dyan. Hindi ko naman kita kailangan. Yan. Ikamit. Okay. Oh, hindi. Uy! Tatapon. Okay. With ketchup and mayonnaise. With ketchup. And also mayonnaise. Tama ba? Meron na mayonnaise? Okay, meron na. Nayo, salo. Coffee. Naisalo.
Look back!
Huh? The heck? What do you mean look back? Oh, may tao ba dyan? Oh. What do you mean look back? Huh? Is that? Huh? Sino yan? Ito may ilaw. Break the door. Night reception, yung game. What the heck? So yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And short game lang ata siya, short horror game, and I hope na-appreciate nyo tong game and kita tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye!